Pete, thank you. It is spring, a time that we tend to clean up or fix up our home. You may be able to handle some of those DIY jobs yourself. Others require a professional. Glenn and Stephanie Steinbrunner are the franchise owners of Ace Handyman Services East Valley. They are here to help us figure out which ones we can do and which ones we should, get a pro in there. Hello to both of you.
Hello.
But what are some of the common things that people are looking to do right now?
Would you say?
Well, I would say, a lot of things that people are doing is getting ready for the season, the summer season, the monsoon season. So a lot of doors, a lot of weather stripping, a lot of caulking around windows. So just getting prepared for that next season, the heat and eventually the monsoons. People are spending a lot of time preparing for that, and that's really where our work is coming from.
And when you say weather stripping or caulking, I feel like those might be something that you could do yourself. Now, maybe going to the gutters or checking out the roof, that might be something that we need to call in a professional.
Right. The roof tiles being loose, especially from a monsoon perspective, is something you want to look out for. Cleaning your gutters so the water has a place to go. But even door replacements, right? That's where it starts to get a little beyond DIY, and calling in the professional is probably the better approach.
Stephanie, when should we call in a pro? What kind of things are we talking about?
I mean, I would say it really depends on your comfort level and level of knowledge. So if it's something that you feel you don't have the time to do or don't have the skill to do, that's what I would recommend you call a professional and have them put eyes on it and see how they can best help you.
And we say a professional because a lot of people maybe go to some of the other websites to get I don't know what you would say, maybe Facebook or something. You're looking for someone to help out for an hour or so, but you don't know who maybe people are.
Well, that's right, and that's where I feel like we really stand out, because all of the craftspeople that we employ are our W-2 employees. They're all background checked, and they have an extensive amount of experience, highly skilled in a variety of trades. So you can feel confident that when you call us, and our team is going to help you out.
Yeah, and comfortable with people in your home as well.
Absolutely, yes.
What is something that should be addressed in the home? You think of some things that maybe you could skip or pass or just kind of fix up, and then, as we go into the monsoon season, some of those things that we should really be addressing.
Yeah, I mean, I think you need to really pay attention to the things that are going to ultimately lead to bigger problems, right? Because I think we have a tendency to say, oh, that's not so bad. I can wait another year, or I can wait another 2 years, and then it turns into a much bigger project than what it would have been had we addressed it. Things like keeping your paint fresh around the doors, right? Cleaning the gutters so that you don't end up creating more damage than is necessary, especially again with the monsoon season coming. So doing things that are going to prevent you from ultimately creating a project that's way bigger than it could have been had we paid attention to some of the signs that are out there, that water leaks, drips, things like that ultimately turn into bigger issues down the road.
This is top tier adulting. Pay attention to the small stuff.
That's right.
Before it becomes a thing screaming for your attention. It's like, I tried to tell you I was a leaky roof, and now we have this issue. So some of the roof tiles you might want to be looking at, some of the vents and the pipes, our AC. I mean, come on. We're a month or two away from those really hot temperatures.
Yeah, spending time on the AC your filters, changing your filters, something as simple as that, so that you have an efficient running air conditioning unit. Cleaning the condensers off on the outside of the home to try to make sure everything's running efficiently. Those simple things like that can make a big difference.
Well, just like the weather stripping, I mean, keeping the air in, I mean, it's a very simple thing, caulking around a window. It doesn't have to be extensive, but it's certainly going to help increase, the efficiency of your system.
And that air filter, you can feel it and notice it very well.
Absolutely.
Thank you to both of you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. You can find more information on our website, azfamily.com. Click the See It on TV tab online and our free AZ Family News app. Still to come, springtime can